Because it is the only place really in the British Isles that looks like the Khyber Pass.
How did you find it in the first place?
Oh, I came down here with my art director and cameraman on a recce, and we met Colonel Goodchild, who lives here in the village, and he came with us. He found these places for us. He was most helpful, and he offered me the choice of 4, and I selected this one with his help. He had actually been in India, and he knew the Khyber Pass well, and assured me this was more Khyber than the Khyber Pass.
I understand you're using 40 local extras in this film. How have they met with your requirements?
They've been jolly good, actually. They muck in very well, and once they are told what to do and they realise they've got to get on with it, they're very good, very helpful.
Any problems with names?
Yes, I have problems with names because I found that everybody in Wales is called Williams, and having a leading actor called Williams, every time I say, would you look at Mr. Williams, they all turn and look at each other. But we soon sort that out. We don't have much trouble.
Kenneth Williams, have you ever been on location in Wales before?
No, I've been in Wales. I was here with the army, actually. I did a lot of training around Llwybr and Llangollen. Around there, route marching, it was pretty hellish, I can tell you, too.
How did that compare with what you have to do here?
Oh, well, it was comparatively easy. You didn't have to look dignified, trying to step over all the muck.
This is the 14th film in the Carry On series. How have you enjoyed the actual experience of being up in Snowdonia filming?
Oh, I always like being back in Wales, always. You see, my parents are Welsh. My mother was a Morgan from Ponnewydd, and my father was from Port Talbot. And so I always feel that Eryri, it always comes back to you once you step back into the place where you've got atavistic memories.
You're playing the part of an Indian...
I am playing, yes, Randy Lal, the Qazi. He is the sort of Raja, you see, who's anti-British in this.
Do you think that this is the type of part you like acting?
Oh, I always do. It's got a touch of the sadism in it, you see, and I'm very good at all that, being a bit nasty,
Yes.
Enjoy that very much.